Okay, so this morning been doing a little fine tuning on my carburetor. That's my medicine, we don't need to unpack that. Here's my last thing I was waiting for. Okay, let's see what we got here. Doesn't look like a big box, but it's be fairly small. Oh man, that doesn't looks way bigger in the picture. So, Elite 2 Series Air Cleaner from Edelbrock. We're going all Edelbrock on this thing, man. Even my spacer's Edelbrock. So I think this should sit on there just fine. Come with the hardware, everything. Get it out here so you see it a little better. I'm gonna leave this one piece on here for the chrome finish there. I'm gonna have to probably find a different stud because this is a great big stud on it, but they actually have studs that are big on the bottom and then the smaller threads on the top. So we'll get that figured out. Get this baby on here. See how it looks on our new VRS. Okay. Just set her on there while we're working right now. Make sure you guys can see this good. And it has a nice little black nut that sits in this hole to match. I'll bring the camera over here. Let's get this set on here. Oh yeah, that's pretty. It'll look nice. There's one thing I'm kind of disappointed in here. I'll show you guys right here. This is a real Edelbrock part. Right here. Oh, it's from sitting in the warehouse or what? The chrome's all gone right here. So I'm gonna have to get in touch with Edelbrock because that's kind of some BS. For I paid like $200 for this. And I got all this nasty crap on here, got letters all messed up, everything else. So we'll get in touch with Edelbrock. Like I said, just unboxed it. Y'all seen the video, so I didn't do anything to hurt her there. So we'll see what we can get done. But man, that looks sharp on there, doesn't it? Well, thanks for tuning in, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to pull these valve covers off, get them painted, and then get the intake off there, get it painted and resealed. I got a little crack in the gasket there on the China rail behind the distributor, leaking a little oil down there. So we'll get her all cleaned up, fixed up, and done up. So appreciate y'all tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.